Hi guys, Wakesho Auto here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am doing a walk in a park, and it's not a walk in the park, or it is a walk in the park. We'll know later. Watch the video to the end. Like my video, share guys. You see the way I'm sweating. I've been walking 20 kilometers guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I love visitors. Thank you for those who have subscribed to my YouTube channel. For those who have not yet subscribed, kindly do so. Welcome guys, and let's have fun. Drop a comment, like my video, and share. Zganiaka breaksa. Good morning. Wakesho Auto here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing my morning walks inside the butterfly pavilion. Auto, say hi to my people. Let's go! Let's go! Good morning. Wakesho Auto here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are walking in the park, and life on YouTube is a walk in the park. Life on YouTube is a walk in the park. Yeah, you got me right. It's a walk in the park. Welcome to my channel. Drop a comment, like the video, and share and subscribe if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel. I said life on YouTube is a walk in the park, right? Thank you so much, my subscribers, for subscribing to my YouTube channel. I really, really appreciate your support. Road to 1K. Let's go! Drop a comment, like the video, and watch to the end. Watch to the end, guys. Just covered 3 kilometers now. 17 to go. Guys, drop your comment.
You can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, on the highway, and in the driveway. It's a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredients, believe. They receive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Feel low, you can still go. Go, feel slow, you can still go. Go, there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Inabidi uongeze sima.
Thank you so much for taking the people together. I really need it.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go, go.
What I'm going to say now is bye. Let's meet in the next video.